This lecture is going to be about suppletion, a new grammatical term. It means a total change in the form or forms within a paradigm. So we have a total change in one of the forms or more than one of the forms in the paradigm. The new form is called a suppletive form. Let's consider the verb paradigm and the suppletive forms in the verb paradigm. In fact, we have only two verbs in English that have suppletive forms. These verbs are go and be. Both verbs have suppletive forms in the verb paradigm. Let's consider the first verb, which is go. The stem is go. The third person singular is goes. The present participle is going. The past form is went. Notice that here we have a total change in this form. A total change between the past form and the stem. We have a different form between go and went. So this total change is called suppletion, and this form of the verb went is called a suppletive form. So went is a suppletive form of the verb go. The past participle is gone. So in the verb go, we have a suppletive form in the past form, which is went. For the verb be, the stem is be. The third person singular is, are. The present participle is being. The past form is was, were. And the past participle form is been. Notice that in the third person singular, which represents the here represents the present simple tense, we have is, are. And in the past form we have was or were. So here we have suppletive forms because each one of these forms, whether is, are, was or were, all of them are different from the stem. There is a total change in the verb form between be and these verbs. So we call them suppletive forms of the verb be because of this total change. Now let's take this note. Some words might belong to more than one part of a speech, like a verb and a noun. In order to know which part of a speech the word belongs to, it's better to have it in context. We talked about this earlier. If a word belongs to more than one part of a speech and it comes in isolation without context, this word is ambiguous because we don't know to which part of a speech it belongs. And in this way, we cannot know the proper paradigm for this word. But if we put this word in context, we will know the part of a speech of the word, and then we can write the proper paradigm for this word. Let's have two sentences in which we have the same word but with two different parts of speech. The word melt. In the first sentence, melt some butter in your frying pan. Melt here is a verb because it is an imperative verb. It's a command. So it is a verb. Because it is a verb, we have to write the verb paradigm for this verb. The stem is melt, third person singular melts, present participle form melting, past form melted, and the past participle form melted. In the second sentence, all the family were ready for the spring melt. Melt here is a noun. It comes after the preposition. It is the object of the preposition. The preposition for. for the spring melt. Of course, the spring modifies melt, but the noun is melt. Because it is a noun, we have to write the noun paradigm. The stem is melt, the plural form is melts, the singular possessive and the plural possessive are left empty because it is inanimate noun.